Other new arrivals, the 1964 Oldsmobile Cutlass F85 442 hardtop, ebony black over saddle, frame off restoration, rebuilt 330 cubic inch 4-barrel V8. Don't diminish that engine. That's a nice engine.
That whole car is just spectacular.
It really is. I love that car. A rebuilt 330, correct Muncie M20 4-speed manual, 12-bolt posi axle. Pretty flawless build. It's hard to find much wrong with this car. I don't like to say flawless.
I'm not a big, I didn't know much about F85s, but when this one came in, I'm like, I could use that.
Pretty cool. So, and one of 158 built.